How can I invite my friends to play in my single-player game on Ark?
Hello, fellow Ark survivors. Today we're going to learn about how you can invite your friends to play in your single-player game on Ark, Survival Evolved. This will allow you to have shared adventures and thrilling survival experiences in the prehistoric world of Ark.
What do you need to know first?
Ark, Survival Evolved is primarily a multiplayer game, and by default, the single-player mode is meant for a lone survival experience. However, there are ways around this. The game allows you to host a local server from your own game that your friends can join. This essentially converts your single-player game into a multiplayer server.
How can you set up your own local server?
To start off, you need to set up your own local server. This might sound technical, but it's actually quite straightforward. 1. Launch Ark, Survival Evolved 2. From the main menu, select the Host Local option. 3. You'll then need to configure your game settings as desired. You can decide things like difficulty level, game rules, etc. 4. Once you've got your settings in place, click on Host Non-Dedicated Multiplayer Session. 5. Your local server will now launch with the game settings you chose. Be patient, this might take a few moments. Please remember, because this server is hosted on your machine, it will only be available while your game is running. If you log out, your friends will be disconnected.
How do your friends join your game?
Now that your server is up and running, let's talk about how to get your friends involved. 1. Once you're in the game, you can invite friends by pressing the ESC key to bring up the menu. 2. Click on Invite Friends. 3. This will bring up your friends list. Simply scroll through, find the friends you want to invite, and click on Invite. They will then receive an invite to join your game. Please note that your friends will need to be on the same local network, or you will need to set up port forwarding on your router for them to join your game. This might require a bit more technical know-how, so make sure to look up a guide or tutorial on how to do this if necessary. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to invite your friends to your Ark single-player game by hosting a local server. This can bring a whole new dimension to your Ark experience, making it even more enjoyable as you share your survival adventures with friends. Remember, together you can tame even the mightiest of dinosaurs. Happy surviving, fellow Ark players!